Hello students, welcome to the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Function. This is lecture number 8. In this video again we will see some more properties of inverse trigonometric functions and also problems. Let us continue the discussion. This property is going to help us in converting the inverse trigonometric function from one to other. That is 2 tan inverse x is equal to, in terms of sin inverse, 2x upon 1 plus x square. X is between minus 1 to plus 1. Second one, 2 tan inverse x in terms of cos inverse, 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So x lies between 0 to infinity. 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Here x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Dear students, you can observe only 2 tan inverse x can be in terms of the other three. 2 tan inverse in terms of sin inverse, 2 tan inverse in terms of cos inverse, the same 2 tan inverse in terms of tan inverse. Dear students, you can learn how to convert one inverse trigonometry into inverse trigonometry by the properties. The proof of these three will be now. First one, 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square is the property. X lies between required values. Let me take tan inverse x as theta, and theta is in between minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Actually here minus pi by 4 is there. Next, x is equal to tan theta. If you take tan inverse to the right side, x will be tan theta. Now consider a formula sin 2 theta in terms of tan, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So replace tan theta values, that is x, so that 2x upon 1 plus x square. Apply sin inverse on both sides. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square. So here sin inverse and sin get removed. So 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square, and replace theta, that will be 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square is the proof. Hence we proved. Number 2, 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So x lies between 0 and infinity. To prove that, let me take tan inverse x as theta, so that theta will be 0 to pi by 2, and x is tan theta. If you take tan inverse to the right side, as you know this procedure because many times we have used. So consider a formula cos 2 theta in terms of tan, that is 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square theta. It's a time to replace tan theta. So 1 minus tan theta is x, tan square theta will be x square. So 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So taking cos inverse on both sides, cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to right side cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So here cos inverse and cos get removed. 2 theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Replace theta here, that is 2 tan inverse x equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square is the proof. Hence we proved. Number 3, 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, where x between minus 1 to plus 1. Let me take tan inverse x as theta, and theta will be x will be tan theta. Now consider a formula here, tan 2 theta in terms of tan only, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Replace tan theta as x, so 2x upon 1 minus x square. Apply tan inverse on both sides. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So here tan inverse and tan get removed. 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Finally theta is tan inverse x, replace it. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square is the proof. Hence we proved. So these are the three which converts 2 tan inverse into three different sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Remember, so that it will help us to solve the problems. Let us have the questions. Show that sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2 sin inverse x, where x lies between minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. Dear students, for this let me take x equal to sin theta, so that Sin inverse x is equal to theta. Let us consider the LHS of the given expression. That will be sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Now I am going to replace the value of x in this expression, that is sin theta. So sin inverse of 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta. Dear students, sin inverse of 2 sin theta, as you know, root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta by the trigonometric identity. So replace root of 1 minus sin square theta as cos theta. So that sin inverse of 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta, a famous formula, 2 sin theta cos theta as sin 2 theta. Then remove this sin inverse and sin, so that you will be getting only 2 theta. Then theta is nothing but sin inverse x. So this is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Hence we proved LHS equal to RHS, that is 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Like this we will solve some questions, students. Number 2, prove that sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse x and x between the values. For this, let me take x equal to cos theta, students. In the previous I have taken x equal to sin theta because of the RHS. Here the RHS is cos inverse, that's why I am taking x equal to cos theta. So for this, cos inverse x will be definitely theta. So let me take the LHS of the given expression. So that we have sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is the expression LHS. So sin inverse of 2 x value cos theta root of 1 minus cos square theta, sin inverse of 2 cos theta root of 1 minus cos square theta is sin theta. So again we got 2 sin theta cos theta. What is 2 sin theta cos theta formula? Sin 2 theta, that we are going to replace now. So sin inverse of sin 2 theta, here also sin inverse and sin get removed, only 2 theta remains and theta value is cos inverse x. So that 2 cos inverse x, hence we proved the LHS is equal to RHS. One of the very important properties 1 and 2. Please remember this question number 1 and question number 2 for 2 mark questions. Like this we have some more. Prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to, prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. X belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Dear students, for this put x equal to sin theta and sin inverse x is equal to theta. Let us consider RHS. This time we will consider RHS. Okay. So what is the RHS part of this expression that we will take now? That is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Substitute the value of x here. Sin inverse of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, a standard trigonometric formula you are getting, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sin 3 theta. So that sin inverse and sin gets cancelled, 3 theta remains, 3 into sin inverse x. Hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS. 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Like this we have to prove the property, students, or the questions. Question number 4, in the same manner 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma plus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. So proof of this one, put x equal to cos theta here and theta will be cos inverse x, or cos inverse x is theta. Let us consider the RHS of the given expression, so that you can see the RHS of the expression there. That is cos inverse of, in place of x write cos theta, so 4 cos cube theta, that will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, again a standard formula, that is cos 3 theta, cos inverse cos removed, 3 theta gets, so 3 into cos inverse x, hence LHS. We arrived to LHS, therefore we proved LHS equal to RHS. These are similar like previous. Question number 5, prove that, very important, prove that tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square is equal to just x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. All these are conditions on x and y, not necessary to remember. Let us directly go to the proof. To prove this expression, I am going to make a substitution that is, let x equal to tan theta and y is equal to tan pi. Why do I make this substitution? Let us see it. 2x upon 1 plus x square is there, no? So here on substitution of x equal to tan theta, we get sin 2 theta. Definitely 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is sin 2 theta. If you see that 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, here on substitution of y equal to tan pi, we get cos 2 pi, because 1 minus tan square pi upon 1 plus tan square pi is cos 2 pi, trigonometric formula. So let us consider the LHS now. Tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. On substituting x equal to tan theta and y equal to tan pi, we get, look at the expression carefully, tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus tan square pi upon 1 plus tan square pi, because you are taking y as a tan pi, remember that. So these two are trigonometric formulas, standard trigonometric formulas that we are going to replace now. So tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of this is sin 2 theta plus 1 by 2 cos inverse of this is cos 2 pi. So by the properties of inverse trigonometric function, you know that sin inverse and sin, cos inverse and cos get removed, so that tan of remaining terms 1 by 2 into 2 theta plus 1 by 2 into 2 pi. So very simple simplification, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled in this system, so that tan of only theta plus pi v remains. Now time to replace theta and pi, so that is tan theta. Now it's tan theta plus pi. Now it's time to apply tan of theta plus pi formula, that is tan theta plus tan pi upon 1 minus tan theta into tan pi. Replace tan theta as x and tan pi as y. So x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Hence this is going to be the RHS of the result. This is on substitution. Hope you followed. Let us see the next question. Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Let us have the proof of this one, students, where x is in this condition, that is mod of x is less than 1 by root 3. To prove this expression, let us consider the RHS part. Dear students, what is RHS? Tan inverse of 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Looking at the highlighted expression, do you get remained formula here, students? Definitely. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta you get, that is tan 3 theta. To have that, we are going to make a substitution, that is put x equal to tan theta, then theta will be tan inverse x. So RHS part you observe, tan inverse of 3 tan theta, because I am writing x as tan theta, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that will be now tan inverse of tan 3 theta by the formula. So tan inverse and tan removed, 3 theta get. So now theta you replace as tan inverse x, that will be 3 tan inverse x. Very important step. 3 tan inverse x can be written tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x. You can express 3 as 1 plus 2. So now tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x formula is there, students. In this video only, in the beginning I discussed, that is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, and this is going to be the LHS. Hence we proved LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 7. Prove that tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square is equal to 3 tan inverse x by a. This is the proof. To prove this expression, I am going to make a substitution here, that is put x equal to a tan theta, so that theta will be tan inverse of x by a, that is tan theta will be first x by a, then theta will be tan inverse of x by a. Consider the LHS now. So that is tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3x square is the LHS. In this I am going to write x value, that is a tan theta. You can observe, in place of x I am writing a tan theta minus a cube, because x cube is there, a cube tan cube theta upon a cube as it is minus 3a x square is there. So x square, x is a tan theta, then x square will be a square tan square theta. This you have to observe carefully, students. Here what I am going to now, taking out the common factor, you can observe the common things we are taking out now. So a cube 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by a cube into the bracket 1 minus 3 tan square theta, cancelling the common factor, that is a cube and a cube. So tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. Tan inverse and tan get removed, so that we are going to get 3 theta. Remember, theta is tan inverse x by a in the previous step. So 3 into tan inverse x by a. Hence we proved the RHS part. Taking LHS, we proved RHS. Question number 8. Prove that tan inverse root x is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This is the question that we are going to prove now. Solution. Let root x is equal to tan theta, then squaring on both sides, x is equal to tan square theta. Only you are going to substitute now. Dear students, compare 1 minus x upon 1 plus x and 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. So for that reason, consider the RHS, that is 1 by 2 cos inverse. In place of x, you are going to write tan square theta. Remember, 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 by 2 into cos inverse. This is a formula of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse and cos removed. 1 by 2 into 2 theta. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So theta only. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse of root x. You can observe from this step. Theta is, if you take tan here, tan inverse root x. Hence we proved RHS is equal to LHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 9. Prove that cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x upon root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x is equal to just x by 2, where x belongs to the open interval 0 comma pi by 4. This is one of the important question for 3 mark. Let us have the expression. Dear students, please remember a formula. 1 plus sin x is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Here I am writing 1 as this 1 as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus sin x as 2 cos x by 2 into sin x by 2. So that what I am going to get, this is in the form of a square plus, look at the screen, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that can we write in the form of a plus b the whole square? Yes, definitely in the form of a plus b the whole square. That is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. This is about 1 plus sin x. Then what will be the root? Take the root on both the side. So that root of 1 plus sin x is just, here root and square will get cancelled, just cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Dear students, I am arriving directly to root of 1 plus sin x as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, so that the simplification becomes simple. Similarly, root of, directly I will write 1 minus sin x is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Like previous, we get root of 1 minus sin x formula. So now consider the LHS part. Cot inverse of, in the root of 1 plus sin x, I will replace a formula, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, plus in the place of root of 1 minus sin x, I will replace cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Denominator also I will do the same work. You can see cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Simplify this expression. Sin x by 2 and sin x by 2 gets cancelled in the numerator. Cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2 gets cancelled in the denominator. So after cancelling the terms, look at the screen very carefully. Cot inverse of, you are going to get after cancellation cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2. 2 times of cos x by 2 divided by, in the denominator, dear students, minus into minus will be plus. So sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2 will be 2 sin x by 2 in the denominator. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled definitely. So cot inverse of cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 is cot x by 2. then finally everyone can say that cot inverse and cot removed, the value will be x by 2. Hence this is going to be the RHS. We proved LHS is equal to RHS. Sorry. Let me take question number. Prove that tan inverse root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse x, where x between belongs to the values 0 comma pi by 4. Dear students, this question number is 10, not 11. So let us have the solution. Put x equal to cos 2 theta in the expression, in the highlighted expression. So root of 1 plus cos 2 theta, because I am going to write 1. Consider the expression root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x. On substituting x equal to cos 2 theta in this expression, so root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta upon, in place of x I am just writing cos 2 theta. Hope you followed, writing x value cos 2 theta. So this can be by the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. In the denominator as it is 2 cos square theta plus in the 1 minus cos 2 theta 2 sin square theta. Simplification, root 2 common, so root 2 cos theta. Here root 2 I will take outside, but root 2 and square will get cancelled. Root 2, but root 2 and square will get cancelled. Like this I will solve. So root 2 cos theta minus root 2 into sin theta. Denominator also same thing, root cos theta plus root sin theta. So here taking common factor, that is root 2. Root 2 common in the numerator, cos theta minus sin theta upon root 2 common, cos theta plus sin theta. So root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled. Now dividing each term by cos theta. Dear students, divide the expression by cos theta, so that you are going to have 1 minus tan theta upon cos theta is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. After dividing cos theta in this expression, you are going to get 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Now I will express this 1 as tan pi by 4 minus tan theta upon 1 I will keep as it is, plus here nothing will be there, means 1 will be there. That 1 I am writing as tan pi by 4 into tan theta. For what reason I have done like this, students? Because you are going to get a formula that is tan of A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So that will be tan of A minus B, that is pi by 4 minus theta. So now go back to the expression, root 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to what we got finally, tan of pi by 4 minus theta we got. So now let's consider the LHS, that is tan inverse of everything, root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to tan inverse of this you are going to write, that is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So you know that tan inverse and get removed, finally pi by 4 minus theta. Replace the value of theta, students. What is the value of theta here? Remember, we had that x equal to cos 2 theta, cos will come to the left side, so cos inverse x equal to 2 theta, only theta you need, so theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So now I am going to replace theta as 1 by 2 into cos inverse x, and this is going to be your required proof. Hence we proved tan inverse of root 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. It is a lengthy problem, but try to understand it is purely based on x equal to cos 2 theta substitution. Let us see the next question, students. This is question number 11. Prove that tan inverse x upon root of a square minus x square is equal to sin inverse of x by a. To prove this expression, I am going to make a substitution. Put x equal to a sin theta, then x by a is equal to sin theta, and theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. This is first step. Now consider LHS. tan inverse of x upon root of a square minus x square. Now substitute x value as a sin theta both in the numerator and in the denominator. So root of a square as it is minus x square will be a square sin square theta. So simplification of the expression tan inverse of a sin theta as it is in the numerator. Here in the denominator a square common, so 1 minus sin square theta. Hope you remember the value of root a square will be outside a, and root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta. A and e gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan inverse and tan removed, that is theta. Remember theta is, we have taken sin inverse of x by a. So I will replace theta as sin inverse x by a, and this is going to be the RHS. Proved LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you all understood the problems and the property, students. If not, watch the video one more time. Thank you. We will see some more part of the discussion in the next video.